Everyone keeps talking about talent shortage, but what if the real problem isn't finding the talent? What if the problem is finding them fast enough? Now, let me explain. Imagine you're a recruiter. You post one job and in 48 hours, 600 applications arrive. Then your hiring manager wants the interview done in 2 weeks' time. So because of that, you start reviewing the resumes one by one. You start checking the experience, the skills, the qualifications, the comparing the candidates. You start making notes, and before you know it, a week is done already. And then finally, you found 3 outstanding candidates. And then, out of excitement, you put a call to them, and then the first one says, "I accepted another offer yesterday." Then the second one says, "I am already in the final interview stage somewhere else." Then to the third one, that one didn't even reply at all. So now let me ask you, was there really a talent shortage? Definitely no. There was talent. The only thing is that the recruiter simply couldn't get to the right candidates quickly enough. Now, let's make this more data. Recruiters don't just review resumes alone. They coordinate interviews, they speak with hiring managers, they answer candidate questions, they schedule meetings, follow up with applications, and then the manual work just add up. And this is where I believe AI can make a meaningful difference. And it's not by replacing the recruiters. It is simply by handling the repetitive tasks like initial resume screening, so that recruiters can spend more time speaking with the people instead of sorting through the paperwork. And you see, this isn't just about the recruitment alone. Think about the onboarding process as well, the employee questions, the HR inbox, the document collection, policy request, leave management, and all of that. Now, across HR, there are repetitive processes that take time away from the work that really matter most, which is supporting the people itself. And this is actually where I believe AI should be your help. So the next time you hear someone says, "We have a talent shortage," I think there's a need for us to reframe that question. Instead of saying that, we should actually ask that, "Do you mean that you have a speed problem?" I am Damilare from Next Support Technologies, helping HR team work smarter with AI.